ಇದು ಫುಲ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಮಸಾಜ್ ಚೇರ್, ಐ ಮಸಾಜರ್, ಹೆಡ್ ಮಸಾಜರ್, ಇದು ಥೈ ಮಸಾಜರ್. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ 50,000. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಕೀಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಶೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಮಸಾಜ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ AI ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆಂಟ್ ಚಿಪ್ which will scan your body first in 30 seconds. Then it will give you massage according to your height, weight and shape. Hello Lily.
Dear master.
It has a voice control as well. You can control on your voice. Rollers will move from your neck till your upper thighs. So full body massage for sure. Wireless charger is hidden in this one. So here's the health sensor as well, which you can know your blood pressure and heart rate as well. It is the rubbing cough.
Oh.
If you like the hard massage, this is the best model for you. You can. This is the aromatherapy. This is detachable tab. You can control it from here. Lot of functions for man, woman, for elders.
ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾವಿವತ್ತಿದೀವಿ MT ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಇದೊಂದು ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಯ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಂಪನಿ. ಇವರು ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಸಾಜ್ ಚೇರ್ಸ್. ಇವ್ರದ್ದು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಸ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಪೀಣ್ಯ ದಾಸರಳ್ಳಿಯ ಮೆಟ್ರೋ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ. ಇವರು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಗಿಂತ 50% ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಸಾಜ್ ಚೇರ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಂದಲ್ಲ ಎರಡಲ್ಲ 9 ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ. ಈ 9 ಮಾಡೆಲ್ಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿಯಾದ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿದೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ. ಈ ಮಸಾಜ್ ಚೇರ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು ಮಾಲ್ ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಮಸಾಜ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಸಿಯೋಥೆರಪಿಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ರಿಯಾಯಿತಿ ದರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ತಂದು ಇಟ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ. ಇದರಿಂದ ಅನೇಕ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಬೆನ್ನು ನೋವಿದ್ರೆ, ಕಾಲ್ ನೋವಿದ್ರೆ, ತಲೆ ನೋವಿದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಶೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಮಸಾಜ್, ಈ ತರ ಅನೇಕ ಮಸಾಜ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ. ಇದು EMI ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆನ್ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೂಡ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ. ಇವರು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಜಸ್ಟ್ 1 ತಿಂಗಳಾಗಿದೆ. ಇವರಿಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇವ್ರ ಕೈಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸಿದೀನಿ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಏನಾದ್ರು ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಕೆಲವು ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಲವಾರು ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನ, ಚೇರ್ ಗಳಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಹಲವಾರು ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಇವರು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಪೂರ್ತಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡದೆ ನೋಡಿ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸರ್, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಸುನಿಲ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಪನಿ ನೇಮ್ MT ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್. ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಾಸರಹಳ್ಳಿ ಮೆಟ್ರೋ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್, ದೆ ತುಮಕೂರು ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ರೋಡ್. ನಾವು ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಸಾಜ್ ಚೇರ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ತಿರ ತುಂಬಾ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಗಳಿದಾವೆ. ನನಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತಿರೆ, ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ತಪ್ಪಿದಿರೆ ಕ್ಷಮಿಸ್ರಿ. ಇದು ಮಸಾಜ್ ಚೇರ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ है. ಇದು ಫುಲ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಮಸಾಜ್ ಚೇರ್, ಐ ಮಸಾಜರ್, ಹೆಡ್ ಮಸಾಜರ್, ಫುಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಸಾಜರ್. ಇದು ಥೈ ಮಸಾಜರ್ and for calf massager here are the foot rollers and it will give you massage. This is the R6 model. The base model itself covers the full body massage. It has a heating as well, zero gravity, full body massage chair, complete starting only in 50,000.
50,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಈ ಮಸಾಜ್ ಚೇರ್. ನೀವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು 50,000.
ಇದು updated model R8 Pro model. It has very good speakers and shortcut keys ಇದೆ. Tab full control ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಕೀ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್. ನೀವು ಸಾಂಗ್ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು and you can relax listening song, your favorite song. ಇದು ಶೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಮಸಾಜ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. This is for full body back massage. Here are the rollers all over the back which will give you great massage. Here's the MT Global logo it comes with. We are the direct importers and see, you can see it. It will press your calves. And here are the rollers for the foot. Here you can watch anything, your favorite song, music and relax. It will give you full relaxation and full body massage. It is the best package. Price, like market price are 1.5 lakh of this massage chair, but we are giving in only 75,000 rupees. So it is more than 50% discount because we are the direct importers. Commercial purpose use madabodu and it is very heavy massage chair, heavy duty massage chair for saloon, for commercial use, for personal use. It is a very good option for you. This is the R9 model, updated model, and in this one you have voice control as well, a lot of features and AI intelligent chip. It has AI intelligent chip which will scan your body first in 30 seconds. Then it will give you massage according to your height, weight and shape. So here are the shortcut keys for this one. You can start it from here. Hello Lily.
Dear master.
It has a voice control as well. You can control on your voice and it has a heater in here in calves and heater here in the seat as well. And here is the wireless charger. And here's the wired charger, shortcut keys. You can control from here as well. This is the best model, have the diamond cut. See the shape of it. a fixed roller technology. In this one, you have the SL Track technology. Rollers will move from your neck till your upper thighs. So you will feel like someone is giving you massage from your back. See, this is for neck. This is for cervical. If you have cervical issue, if you have back pain, you can go for this. Full body massage here. For shoulders, and it is for hands. So here we comes at a R10 model, which is updated model of R9. It comes with a head massager and it has extra add-on thigh belt as well. So it is a very good for family chair and it covers whole body. Again, it has a lot of features in this one. 5 automatic modes, 0 gravity heating as well. So it has a leather quality and see the finishing of it. It's a great combination of good massage and good looking. Here it comes as a premium section. We have a lot of variety in this one as well. And in this, starting by Q5, this is the model where you will get the rollers of silicone and it goes extra long rollers. So they will cover your upper thighs as well. And it has a very great massage leg massager as well in this one. This is the Q9 model, very great model, and it has the shortcut keys here and the volume. The main part of it is a leg massager, full covering leg massager. It is like a shoes and it has the scratchers and rollers both behind your foot, so it will give you great massage which will improve your blood circulation. And if you have a back pain, this is the best massage chair. You have the option. So this is the Q7 model and it has a long SL track, so it will cover you till your upper thighs. And here are the shortcut keys of this one, and the wireless charger is hidden in this one. So this is very friendly family. The person who want a great massage, they can have this. This is very soft soothing massage in this one. It is the Ox brand. We are the importers. Ox brand is a German brand. We are the importers of the massage chairs. And here are the lot of function. If you can see in this one, it has the calf rollers as well. It will see, it is very tight. It will press your calves, which will increase the blood circulation. And in body, the main is the blood circulation. And now we have the next model, which is an updated model like Q7 2.0. This is the Q7. This is the Q7 2.0. It has a lot of functions updated, so you can watch your favorite movies. Here is the stand, and you can scroll the reels from here as well. And to control the volume from here, here's the health sensor as well, which will you can know your blood pressure and heart rate as well. See, this is the rubbing the calves. See, it is the rubbing calf.
Oh, acha.
Yeah. If you like the hard massage, this is the best model for you. You can control the intensity, but this chair's massage is very great, and it is the people who like regular massage for them. And here it comes with the fully digital touchscreen tablet. It has a lot of automatic modes like ancient massage, gentle massage, deep retarding, work release, exercise recovery. ಈ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. Now we come to the next model, which is like a very great model. In the whole family can use it, easy to get in, easy to get out. And this model also have the aromatherapy. I'm telling the difference. This is the aromatherapy wireless charger. Here are the model, and this is detachable tab. You can control it from here. You can control the all the features, and it is like leather quality is great in this one. It comes with a pure leather. It has a very great leather quality. And this is for the shoulder. So here we come at the top, second top model. This is the massage capsule. Everything is a massage chair. It is a massage capsule. It comes with a fiber body, very heavy duty chair, and it has a lot of functions. You can control everything literally. It has a calf extension, leg extension. You can control according to your height, weight, and according to your feeling, according to your mood. It will stretch your legs. It will just clamp there behind your foot. It will hold your leg. And here are the scratchers and the rollers. In calf, there are the rollers as well, which will roll and give you massage in your calves. You can change the mode from here as well. And a lot of functions for man, woman, for elders, pain improvement. If you have any kind of back pain, or you want classic massage or stretching as well, lot of features. Whatever comes in a massage chair, every features this massage chair have. Zero gravity, it goes more than 180 degrees, so you will feel like you are sleeping on your bed more than that, and getting the massage.
Okay.
See
Now,
this one. See, this is the calf muscles which will rub your calves and give you great massage. So it will increase your blood flow in your body, and it will reduce stress, and it is very healthy kind of massage chair.
Okay.
ಇದು market price is like 3.5 to 4 lakh, but ನಮ್ಮ price is only 1.75 lakh. You can book today. Come at MT Global Bangalore. This is a new model arrival, and it name is as a moonwalker. You will feel like you are walking on the moon. You will literally feel like you are walking on the moon because it is the feature like it, and it is the best combination of technology and comfort. You will feel the great massage in this one, and it will press your legs one by one. It will go up your leg one by one, and you will feel like you are just walking on the moon and having the best massage. Market price of this massage chair is literally like 5 lakh rupees, and we are selling this in 2.15 lakh rupees only at your delivery at your doorstep all over India. We have EMI option as well. If you have credit card, there is a 6-month no cost EMI. For booking a massage chair, we also accept a credit card, and we also provide a no cost EMI for 6 months as well. If you have credit card, then you can have a no cost EMI for 6 months. ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ MT ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಮಸಾಜ್ ಚೇರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ, ಅದರ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ, for more information, please visit us and contact us. Our numbers are given on the screen. You can visit our experience center, which is located just opposite of Dasarahalli metro station, and you can experience all the massage chair model. In whichever you are comfortable, you can book that and visit us. You will have a great experience because we have a lot of models, massage chair model. If you are having a back pain or any kind of thing, we have a specialized model for that as well. So please visit us. Have a great day.
ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ MT ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ರವರ ಮಸಾಜ್ ಚೇರ್ಗಳು, ಆ 9 ಮಾಡೆಲ್ಗಳು ಮತ್ತೆ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ಗಳು ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ. ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ಗಳು ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ನ ನೇರವಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇವರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ದಾಸರಳ್ಳಿ ಮೆಟ್ರೋ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಇದೆ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ. ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಮಾಹಿತಿಗಾಗಿ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಕೂಡ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಇದನ್ನ ಬೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಬೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. 50% ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇವ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇವರೇ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಯ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಂಪನಿ MT ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಈಗ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ. ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಬೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಸಾಜ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆತರ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಮಾಡಲ್ ಯಾವ ಫೀಚರ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಹೊಸ ಜೊತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್, ಬೈ.